Something strange happened over Iran, and the sky told the story. Not explosions, not sirens, silence. Well, an unnatural silence. Look up at Iran's airspace and you see almost nothing. No crowded flight path, no steady stream of commercial jets, no casual east west traffic at all. Just emptiness. This is unusual, right? Iran normally sits at the heart of global air routes. Asia to Europe, Europe to the Middle East, busy, constant, alive. But overnight, the skies went all quiet, except for two planes. Just two, and that is where the story turns explosive here. The only aircraft seen over Iran, it belonged to Mahan Air, an Iranian airlines already under US sanctions, accused by Washington of moving weapons, accused of carrying equipments, accused of acting as a logistics arm for Iran's powerful Revolutionary Guard. These were not any random flights basically. So where did they come from? Southern China. One flight from Guangzhou, another one from Shenzhen. Both took the same direction, both headed west, both flew straight towards Tehran. Wait, no other commercial plane followed? None crossed Iranian airspace, none passed through. Just two of these planes. Alone in the sky? This raises a sharp question here. If civilian flights are grounded because of tensions, then why are these planes flying over Iran? And what exactly are they carrying? Well, the timing makes it even more suspicious. US and Iran tensions are peaking. Military alerts are rising, threats and warnings, they are flying on the ground. And in the air, China-linked routes, they quietly move towards Iran. Officially though, nothing has happened. No cargo list released, no public explanation given. But intelligence watchers, they are alarmed because this looks less like commercial and more like coordination. And you know why China matters here? Because Beijing has strong ties with Tehran. Energy, trade, strategic alignment against the US pressure here. If military equipment is moving, this changes the balance. And the airspace, it tells its own story. When commercial airlines stay away, it means risk is high. When sanctioned carriers fly anyway, it means urgency. And this is how modern power moves. Not always with convoys, not always with ships, sometimes with quiet flights through empty skies. Washington is watching, so are regional militias, militaries, and intelligence agencies because if arms are moving now, they are moving for a reason.